Tommy. Welcome back to my channel. As July 4th is coming up, we are going to learn how to make July 4th themed treats. I have a special guest here today. This is my daughter Leona.
Hi. So today we're going to make two special treats. The first one is going to be a watermelon cake, which I am very excited about. The second is going to be a Stars and Stripes themed fruit skewers. Let's get started. First, let's look at the ingredients to make the watermelon cake. Have a large watermelon. If you want, you can use a small one, so it's going to be easier to cut and shape it. We chose a large one since we're going to need the watermelon for both the cake and for the skewers later. The second ingredient is going to be strawberries. Next, we have some blueberries, and this is optional, but we also have some mixed nuts that we're going to use to decorate our cake. And finally, my favorite, whipped cream or any type of cream to coat our watermelon. So to cut our watermelon, we're going to cut both of the sides off. Since we're going to be making the fruit skewers later, we have to save 2 slices from either end, about 2 inches thick. Time for the fun part, decorating. So we're going to first take this whipped cream and cover the entire outside of the watermelon. But first, let's taste test. So now we're just going to cover the entire top, and I'm going to spread it with the spoon.
Yeah.
So now I've covered it as best as I can, and don't worry if it doesn't stick well. I'm going to put a star in the center, and then I'm going to use my fruits and decorate around it. Now I'm putting some strawberries. So now I'm going to add some final touches with our mixed nuts. I'm just going to add a pistachio in the middle.
This completes our beautiful watermelon cake.
So now let's look at our second treat, the Stars and Stripes skewers. This is the slice that we had saved from cutting the watermelon for the watermelon cake. Next we have blueberries, we have strawberries, and then we have these sticks to use as the skewers. And finally, we have these fun cookie cutters that are in the shapes of stars. So first we're going to cut out our stars by pressing the cookie cutter into the watermelon. And then we get these really pretty star shapes. So now we're just going to take our skewer and go in any order and decorate our stick. So I'm going to start with some blueberries. Then I'm going to add a strawberry. Finally, I'm going to top it with our star. And this is what the final product looks like. So to arrange these, we're just going to put all the skewers in a cute mason jar. And I have a whole variety over here. And now guests can come, appreciate how cute it looks, and also pick up a skewer to eat.
As a bonus to this video, I have made an easy centerpiece for your table which you can use for 4th of July. I filled this jar with water. To make the water blue, I used the Listerine mouthwash. Ounce of Listerine added to this water to make it blue. I put a floating candle on the water. I'm actually happy that Leona was here today. She's behind all my videos, editing them, and now she's behind the camera too. Thank you for watching my video. If you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Happy 4th of July.